HyperX has for a long time maintained a reputation as a well-reputed name in the world of gaming, all thanks to the wide range of accessories custom-tuned for gamers. Having a deep reach into the world of gaming headphones, they redefined their products and distilled their knowledge into a pair of comparatively portable TWS earbuds called the Cloud MixBuds. Designed for gaming and keeping the player's choices first, how well do these TWS earbuds perform? Should you actually consider, if not outright switching to earbuds for gaming? Find out in our video today. From the looks of it, it doesn't look any different than your ordinary pair of earbuds. The case is minimalistic with the familiar HyperX aesthetics, and the buds come with stems with the HyperX logo etched on both of them. You'll be getting touch controls for each bud, where a single tap plays or pauses the music, double tapping skips the track, the usual thing. You tap and hold the buds and you'll put them on mute to keep annoying teammates at bay. And with the help of the proprietary companion app, you can actually customize one of these commands to summon a voice assistant. Fortunately, the buds come with a dedicated USB-C wireless dongle, which nearly eliminates the probability of audio lags, making sure you're pushing that angle with no fear or delayed audio and landing that game-winning shot. But what about the audio? With the HyperX Cloud MixBuds, you'll be getting a pair of 12mm dynamic drivers, which should sound great and provide loud, clear audio to amp up your gaming experience. Now, the reason why most people go for traditional over-ear headphones is mainly because of the bass output. But you'll be surprised to know that the MixBuds do not disappoint in terms of solid bass output when compared to the overhead ones. Although they don't come with active noise cancellation, which would have instantly made these earbuds a big hit among the fans, they do come with a fit that provides a reasonable amount of passive noise isolation. Now, how long do they last? Well, according to HyperX, the buds can be used continuously for 10 solid hours on Bluetooth mode and up to 6 hours through the USB-C transmitter. When packed in with the charging case, they sum up to a total of 33 hours, which isn't bad at all. The transmitter comes with a button you can use to switch between the wireless modes on the fly. One tap on the transmitter will mute the microphone, while holding it down will swap the connection. These also come with a USB-A extender that helps with keeping the transmitter at an arm's length. So far, these buds sound really good, pun not intended. But you see, there are a few things that might actually drag these buds down. For starters, they don't come with onboard volume controls, and the earbuds themselves are bulkier when compared to your average pair of earbuds. Though the fit is good, all thanks to the silicone tips it comes with, they do have a tendency of slipping out of your ears whenever your face muscles start to move a bit more than ordinary, taking the immersion completely off track when you're on a ranked game or such. The bulky build means that it lacks that signature comfort that people usually expect from the HyperX Cloud lineup. Another thing is, the touch sensor is good. I mean, too good if you ask us. Due to that, the buds have a tendency to accidentally pause or play the music when adjusting the buds. Although HyperX is supposed to bring out a firmware update on the proprietary Ingenuity app pretty soon, up until then, we really don't think it'll be wise to spend $150 on something you won't be happy about, considering there are several better over-ear wireless counterparts you can look into. But do let us know your thoughts, decisions, and opinions on it, as we would love to hear from you. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon if you want more videos like this on your feed.